monkey trail, I think, mate. I think it's got there's black options on it.
Come on.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Are you boosting off or what? Are you boosting off? Right, let's see what. Oh, bonus line. Oh, he's done me again. Oh, we've got a pot of gold.
Pot of gold.
This must be end at Rainbow. What, to see my legs are dead? You what, mate?
After that drop, that's what we ate.
Nearly washed out. Oh, Turbo trying to screw me over. Nice line, decks it. Deer skull. Oh, bonus, bonus, bonus. Ooh. Oh, it is dropping dark now, lad. Yeah. Pro lines these, mate. Yeah, they make up seconds these. No, I mean I'm making them up. You are. Oh, I'm out of these silly corners. Hold. Yeah, I feel like he's coming for me, you know. Oh. Yep. Nope. My legs up. No, it's my legs, my quads are pumped. Yeah, but I need to train it. Oh, balls. Oh shit. I thought that was cool as fuck. Oh, that's what happens when you get ahead of yourself. Yeah. Yep.
Last option, we'll go left, yeah?
I get my feet on. Oh no, I've chickened it. I've chickened out. Bear with me. Oh, I've let myself down now. I slowed down too much on rocks and bottled it. I think because that's kind of thing that sent me over at bars over there, I just I thought about that too much.
This way.
Mate, my legs aren't anymore. Oh. Jeez. Not a fan of rock gardens. I don't know if you can tell. I'm not at a level where I can always place my wheel where I want it. So it's a bit scary for me. Yeah. Is this a climb? Keep going then. I'm in one. Why would they put all these trees so close together? Yeah, yeah. Well, I'll do that again, but that'll bring some more bottle. Said, well, I'll come and do that again, but that'll bring some more bottle. No, I had to turn a bit. Yeah. Oh, I'm struggling with my view. Yeah, but I can. These little holes are creeping up on me now. Yeah. I don't know what this video is going to look like, but this camera's quite good in low light, but my eyes with sunglasses on aren't. So what are these little holes everywhere? No, I quite like it. Oh, missed the bonus. Oh, I've done it again. Ooh. You up? Oh.
Shall we do it?
Yeah, so
Snap it.
glasses basically they're making it very dark.
Oh yeah, you can see it on your camera as well.
So you can see what we're dealing with.
Fine. Come on then, snap it. Sounds inviting.
As long as it's not on about me, mech. North Shore. Oh yeah. Bit of North Shore. Not the rocks. What's at the bottom of this bit here?
Don't go over that.
No, I like my Sorry mate. I need to get my feet on, man. Oh, my legs! My legs! Oh. Oh, my legs! Oh. Wait, we aren't going round again by accident, are we? Seven dwarves. Oh no! Oh God! Oh! Yeah, that's bad. Is that? Bonus line. I don't know. It was the only thing I could see. Jesus Christ. Right, first things first, I can't fucking see. So, oh, my legs. Oh, it's just a step garden. Fuck.
down.
Try to do something with my sunglasses. Weird, isn't it?
You can see where you're going.
Oh, yeah, now my eyes watering even worse. Yeah. Yeah. I don't trust the.
Well, you ride them like you do trust in me.
Right, it's not. Not done, Dolby. Cheers, buddy. Yeah. Trying to rest my legs while pedalling. Oh, my legs. Okay. Mate. Oh my days. Yeah, clear.